Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and allow me to join other Kenyans in conveying my heartfelt condolences to the family of the late President, those of my family, and the people of Kikuyu. Honorable Speaker, the late Honorable Mwai Kibaki goes down in history as the greatest president since independence that this country has ever had. He is an economist par excellence, a Democrat par excellence, and he remains in the annals of our history as the greatest president that this country ever had. Honorable Speaker, the late president moved our economy from the doldrums to a renewed economy that was very robust, increasing our revenues from an average of 180 billion shillings to close to 1 trillion shillings without having to arrest a single business person in this country, without having to close down a single business in this country. Unlike today, Honorable Speaker, when our revenues are dwindling and we are closing people's businesses, we are shutting down businesses of the likes of Tabitha Karanja, Humphrey Karaoke, and other innocent Kenyans down in Down Road, Nyamakima, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, the late president was a Democrat par excellence, Honorable Speaker. He knew his boundaries between the state that he ran as president and private business. He knew and understood what state capture and conflict of interest was, and he never entertained it during his reign as president of our republic. And we will live to remember Mwai Kibaki, the greatest president of our times. Today, as a nation rises to mourn the death of President Kibaki, we also mourn the death of the democratic space that he helped open after the dictatorship of the Moi regime. We mourn the death of our economy that he helped to uplift from the doldrums. And in a short 4 years of the handshake regime, the economy has been taken back to where President Mwai Kibaki had lifted it from. How sad it is, Mr. Speaker, that today, as we mourn the greatest president of all times in this country, Honorable Speaker, we also mourn the death of our economy. We mourn the death of our then robust democracy, Honorable Speaker. And Honorable Speaker, we can only pray that those who tormented Mwai Kibaki, those who said that he's a hands-off, ears-off, everything off president, at his hour of death, we